In this video, I'll show you how to increase your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11. First, click the search icon and type Control Panel, then open it. Next, go to Network and Internet, then click Network and Sharing Center. From the left panel, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Properties. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, then click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. You can use Google's DNS by entering 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Alternatively, you can use Cloudflare's DNS by entering 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Click OK, then close to save the changes. Next, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter again, select Properties, and click Configure. Open the Advanced tab. If available, set the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz options to auto. Then look for band selection and set it to 5 GHz only. Also, find preferred band and change it to prefer 5 GHz. Click OK to apply the changes. Your Wi-Fi adapter may restart, and you might need to reconnect to your wireless network. Keep in mind that 5 GHz provides faster speeds but has a shorter range than 2.4 GHz. If your router doesn't support 5 GHz or your Wi-Fi network disappears after changing the settings, switch the options back to their previous values. And that's how you can increase your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11.